Hey YouTube, it's Doss Lady 302. Just coming in with a little bit of an update, or just to say hi. I really just wanted to make this video. I know Sweet Ma for Life uploaded a video the other day about Method Man and how he feels about natural women or natural hair. And his response was he doesn't like PZ afros, or he wants his woman to get his hair done. And it just caused like a big uproar that was really, to me, unnecessary, because a lot of natural women do, to me, in my opinion, tend to be a little bit sensitive when it comes to the subject of our black men, or men, period, liking our natural hair. I just wanted to say this, that Method Man is entitled to his opinion. That is his opinion. Not only is it his opinion, but it's a lot of other black men's opinion as well. Not all. You know, we do have those select few who just embrace it. But you also, women, have to be understanding that the past generation or two generations of our men have only seen a majority of black women with relaxed hair. That's all they know. And even me, like I went natural October 9th of 2009. All natural, cut it all off. And it even took me some getting used to, because before I did that, I said I would never go natural, because I didn't know what the result would be, or what it would turn out like. It just wasn't the norm, you know. And especially where I'm from, Kansas City, it's not the norm for us to just rock our natural hair and just embrace it and love it and like it. Because before that, I did think that natural hair was like nappy and untamable and blah blah blah. I don't feel that way anymore. So I think we really should just kind of like take it easy on these men out here who are not aware. Because the more that we rock our natural hair and, you know, stay faithful and committed to rocking our natural hair and loving our natural hair, the more our men will understand it and appreciate it and accept it. So give them time, because a lot of women out there go natural and our husbands are like, oh, go for it, do it, you know, I love natural hair, blah blah blah. They didn't feel that way before, because it was never a thought to them or an opinion to them. It never was a matter, because we were too busy spending their money, or our money, you know, going to get our hair done, sitting in the salon forever, relaxing our hair. You know, they don't know. Just like we didn't know. They don't know. And some people are going to disagree with this video. Some are going to agree. But I feel like when someone has an opinion about natural hair, just think that before you went natural, you didn't think twice about being natural or how natural hair would have been. Maybe you did. I don't know. But give it some time, because I remember when I went natural and cut all my hair off, my dad was like, why did you do that? I don't like it. And I'm like, but I do. And I'm learning to love it. And now I love it. And when I first went natural, I went natural with the intention that after my hair got a certain length, I was just going to go ahead and relax it again. But it took me a few months into it to say, well, I'm not going to relax it again. If I want to wear my hair straight, I can wear my hair straight, bone straight, without a relaxer. If I want to wear my hair in a twist out or braid out, I can do that. Just give these men time. And if you don't want to give them time, and if it's not for you, then oh well. If it is for you, and if your man loves it, and if he doesn't love it, if it's you and that's what you're going to rock, he's going to eventually learn to love it. So women, natural sisters, be patient with these men, because we come from an era where relax is what it was. Getting your hair relaxed and being straight is what it was. And I don't know if y'all have read that book, Thank God I'm Natural, but I read that book. And the lady pointed out a bunch of things in there, like in the 60s and 70s, and even the 50s. It was there were advertisements about getting straight hair and getting rid of the nappy or the kinky hair. But it's so much going on now with women going natural and just embracing it and not worrying what anybody says or cares what anybody says, that eventually our men, y'all know we hold the power, our men are eventually going to be like, okay, I love it I love you just like you are. This is the hair that grows out of my head. My hair is my crown. And how I rock it shouldn't bother you. And if it does bother you, you'll eventually get it. And if you don't get it, bump you. Screw you. You're entitled to your opinion. And that's all I have to say about that. Bye-bye. Mwah.